Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up a portable hotspot on VIVO IQOO Z8. To do this, we'll need to open our settings. Inside, go for Network and Internet on top and find Hotspot and Tethering. Here click on Wi-Fi hotspot. Inside you'll be able to turn it on and off, and when you do it first time you can choose mobile data usage limit for it, and it can be set to unlimited or ranging between 15 megabytes to 500 megabytes, or set it to custom. I'm gonna go with unlimited and click on cancel, and then we can change our hotspot name, security. When you go with none, that means you won't have any password for the Wi-Fi. And when you go with WPA2 personal, you get yourself a password and you can edit the password right here. Then we have one-time mobile data usage limit for the setting that appeared when we enabled it. And then there's maximum number of connections. You can choose how many devices can be connected at the same time to your Wi-Fi. Turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. And also switch your Wi-Fi band between 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, however you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.